Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2019 Bobcat MT85 mini rubber track skid steer loader. So, the mini loader market has been hot for the last 3 years. I literally have seen some guys doing some pretty crazy things and stabbing a lot of people in these machines, in my opinion. This machine, in my opinion, we're going to price very, very reasonable in the market compared to what a new one is. And new ones are still way out there on lead times. You're seeing some pop into some dealers here right now, and they're asking above list price on them anyhow because they can. But really, long story short, I feel that this machine here is a very, very good machine. All the white paint's original. We did paint the gray on the track frames, painted the bucket and the quick attach. Other than that, everything's original on it. These two decals on either side were scratched up. We put 2 brand new ones on it. So when I bought this machine, there is 1,200 hours on the dot on it. It had 1,187 hours on it. We have running around here. We used it to hook up a whole bunch of attachments and do some demo stuff that we were doing. We're going to continue to do some of that till it's sold. When this thing came into us, to be very honest with you, it needed an undercarriage under it, and I bought it knowing that. So we put when I say brand new undercarriage under it, it has brand new rollers, brand new pin kits, brand new side clip kits, brand new front and rear idlers, and we did put new sprockets on it, and brand new wide tracks from Summit Supply. We did it all, and no joke, there's $3,100 in parts there. No labor, that was just parts, okay? You know, and I have to laugh. There's guys in there that says, oh yeah, undercarriage is great, it's through the shop, but yet a guy shows up here to, you know, pick up some attachments he bought from said guy who says his undercarriage was good, and the freaking thing was junk. Every roller was shot, and there that guy's gonna spend that money that we spend here. But we did this work. We went ahead and done it. It's over with, and I don't have to hear the flack from it. So, long story short, that's what we did. We did a full service on the engine, everything there, fuel, air, hydraulic, everything has been changed, taken care of. So we're gonna walk you around the machine. There's no oil leaks on it. The cylinders are all dry. The quick attach itself is good and tight. Everything takes grease. Under the hood's actually in really nice shape. Yeah, they're usually all scuffed up, beat up. Under the hood, powered by a Kubota D902 engine. Very familiar with these engines. Very good motor. It's in a lot of stuff. It's in your Kubota RTVs. It's in your, obviously in the MT85s. It's in the MT55s. It's also in the MT100s. That engine's in a lot of stuff. They're a great engine as long as you keep them cool. And other than that, very good motor. Why we did our service work, we noticed the starter itself was getting a little drag on it. We put a brand new starter on it. We went from front to back, did all the stuff so we know what we had. Again, everything underneath that engine compartment's good. The hydros are good. 2 striker plates up here on the hydrostat. We replaced those. They're just a wear item in this ball joint up here at the joystick. It's a wear item on a mini loader. We put that stuff on all the time. And there again, it's just because we do like to truthfully get through our stuff so we know what we have. Up here in the front of your boom, it is not welded or busted anywhere. Same with your quick attach. It is a factory OEM Bobcat 44-inch bucket. Again, lift cylinders, tilt cylinders are all dry. Back corners are nice and straight. In that compartment right there, you're gonna have your hydraulic tank, pumps, hydraulic filter in there is new and changed. Battery is in good condition. Rear steps in good shape. We'll show you underneath, or up here I should say. Right here at the operator station, joystick loader control, and again, joystick steering here, and again, we did put brand new ball joint down there from Bobcat. All of your gauges work as far as temp, fuel, and volts. You have 2 idiot lights right here, and your hour meter, 1200 on the dot, 1200.7. So I'm going to take this thing, we're going to fire it up, we're going to run it around, show you it does everything it is supposed to do. Here we go. The mini loaders have really come a long way over the course of time. You know, we've sold literally hundreds of mini loaders over the years. They're an amazing little machine. It's amazing what you can do with them, okay? They're a hell of a tool. We sell a lot of attachments for them. We do a pile of attachment stuff. And, you know, Bobcat really come to the market, in my opinion, on this loader. And obviously, yes, they have a MT100 out now. And again, good luck getting one for the most part. But I do feel that these are a great little machine. And again, it is amazing the work that can be done with one. There's guys out there every day who are running mini loaders, mini excavators, and a couple compact track skid loaders, and they're busy all the time. And it just simply is amazing, in my opinion, the work that can be done with one of these machines. Again, this is a MT85 wide track. See there, it will transverse the tracks. If you are in need of forks, grapple, augers, root grapples, different style of buckets, we keep a lot of inventory. Brush mowers, we keep brush mowers for these. Again, it's amazing the stuff that you can do with one of these little loaders. Very versatile. As you can see there, the little machine runs and works just the way it is supposed to. It is a very good, tight little machine. It is all original white paint. I mean, anything we painted was the track frames. The orange is original. I like stuff like that. It's nice, it's clean. Again, we do feel this is 100% ready to work. We can't find anything wrong with it. Again, we went through and did our due diligence and did our service work like most people should do. We don't always have that in today's world. The worst part is that I have to go out and compete against stuff like that needs work, but yet some guys out there selling stuff for the same price. So it is what it is. If you have any question, want to come by and see us yourself and personally, you have absolutely nothing to hide, come check it out. And the guys that leave all the negative, nasty comments, boy, it's really something. Like, we did a video the other day and some guy said, yeah, typical salesman. Yeah, I don't classify myself as a salesman. I own a business. We're here every day, but I might be on the yard loading equipment, might be in the shop helping the guys work on something, might be running the pressure washer. A salesman doesn't do that. So, you know, that's the thing that makes us a little different here. Majority of all our people here do many different things within the business. And, you know, you look at a salesman, I think of a salesman as a car salesman, a guy that really knows nothing but numbers. So take that for what you want, but you guys are going to keep making nasty comments. Keep it to yourself. You know, I think that's just a better solution. Any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, have a great day. Thanks for checking out Mark's Supply Company.